Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find IMEI number of your lost phone. So in the first step we have to open the web browser and then go to the Google, find my device, find my phone, just type it in the Google and sign into the same account that you were signed to in the lost phone. So now we have to click the continue or just log it by the form, and now choose the phone that you want to check. For that you want to check the IMEI number. You can see there we have a Nokia, so now we can tap on the info icon and there we have a IMEI number. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.